Yay, Saturday morning fabrics. Yay, yay, yay. This first one we're going to start off, these are all knits, exception of one, but these are just great fall knits. This first one is a Zegna. The designer is Zegna. It is 100% wool. It has stretch in both directions. Great drape, beautiful piece. You'd never know it was a wool. It's soft. I mean, it has a nice long fiber. It's a difference between good knits and not good knits. It's just really beautiful. Great drape. And then we have this denim, beautiful color, great mid-tone denim, 100% cotton, has stretch in both directions. Just couldn't ask any more out of a denim. Just gorgeous. We have 100% viscose. This is a knit. It has stretch in one direction. It has stretch, literal stretch in both directions, but it sure is, sure is hard to, it's not much stretch. Much more in one direction than other. There's 100% viscose, and again, both sides are usable. You can tell a little difference between them, but if you turned it the other way, I don't think anybody would ever notice, but your call. This is a charcoal. It is 100% cotton, just butter, just so soft, but great drape. A pair of yoga pants would be fabulous. A t-shirt. I think you could use both sides, just depends on what you want to do, but just really nice. And it goes with this really beautiful woven. I put them together because of the third one, they all go together. But this is a viscose wool. And it's a woven, though it's not a knit. Again, beautiful piece of fabric. Balenciaga is a designer, I think, on both of these. I know for sure on this one. And this is a wool viscose. And again, stretch in both directions. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. Can you see all of that? How beautiful it goes. I just love the combinations. The navy. Oh, so the goal is to bring you great fabric so that you have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.